What's up guys, this is Sonny back with another video, and today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I recently purchased. And basically I've been looking for a active noise cancelling headphone for been almost like a week or two, but basically I wanted to spend somewhere like around $100. I don't really like spending $300-400 on a pair of headphones. So basically what I did, I jumped into Amazon and I started searching for active noise cancelling headphone under $100. So I found Mixcder E9 active noise cancelling wireless Bluetooth headphone for around $59. Now I've never heard of this brand, so I was like, you know what, let me just buy this, let me just test it. If I don't like it, I can always return it, right? But I was really surprised. So I've been testing this headphone for almost 3 days already. So I took this pair of headphone with me on my way to work, and I do take bus and train. And as you guys know, I live in New York City, so New York City is really crowded, guys. So if you're into music, trust me guys, you need one of these active noise cancelling headphone, because if you're in train or bus, you can sometimes hear your music because there's like too many people around you, or maybe they're just making weird noise because this is New York. So I was really surprised, and with active noise cancelling switch on was pretty good. Like I wouldn't compare this pair of headphone with like Sony's $200-300 active noise cancelling headphone or Bose, but for the money, for $59, this headphone treated me really well. And also, what else I basically did, I also purchased a iGear Bluetooth adapter, because my computer doesn't have Bluetooth option. If your computer does have Bluetooth option, you can pair this headphone to your computer. The sound quality is really good for the money, at least. Okay, not compared to Sony or Bose. I wouldn't recommend you guys to compare this $59 headphone with $200 Sony or Bose headphone, but sound was pretty good. The bass is pretty good also, and clear, you can hear a bit. Also, this headphone comes with 500 mAh battery. Now if you do have a ANC, the active noise cancelling switch on, then you will get around 24 hours. And if you turn off the ANC, the active noise cancelling, if you turn it off, then you will get like 30 hours. The ear pads are really good, soft, and also whenever like I wear this set of headphone, it kind of feels good. It kind of feel comfortable. The headphones is not too heavy, slight, and also my head is not all that big, so if I'm wearing like a bigger set of headphone, I kind of look weird. So I feel like this headphone is kind of like perfect for my head size. Also, the headband is pretty good. You can adjust it, and you guys can see really flexible. Now, right side of the headphone, you will find volume up and down bottom, then a micro USB port, power LED indicator, and then you have your microphone, and also you have your power button. So if you press and hold the power button, headphone will turn on, and then you can pair this headphone with your smartphone, your tablet, or if you have an MP3 player, or like I do. Basically I paired this set of headphone with my desktop computer, and also I pair this headphone with my smartphone. Now left side of the headphone, you have your ANC on and off switch, and then you also have your 3.5 port. Now this headphone does come with a pretty good case. It's pretty solid, and after you open this case, you will find a long 3.5 auxiliary cable, and also a micro USB cable for charging this headphone. And also you will get a adapter. You can use it in the plane, if you, I don't know who use this, but if you are planning on using this pair of headphone while you like traveling in plane or anything, then you can use this adapter. Overall guys, I think this headphone is a pretty good active noise cancelling headphone for the money. For $59 guys, you can't go wrong with this headphone. If you are out in the market and you are looking to buy an active noise cancelling headphone and you are in budget, you can't go wrong with Mixcder E9. Now I'm not a pro, I personally like it. Let me know what do you guys think, and see you guys next one. Peace.